What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know when I'm going to release this video, but I just want to keep you guys informed of what's really going on. So I wanted to record this because I was supposed to keep these wheels, my beautiful bronze T37s, but I'm actually going to sell them. My dog is questioning my actions here, but unfortunately Marley, I gotta let it go. So these 19-inch T37s are slightly too big for a R34 GTT body. Although I can make it work running skinny tires, I just think functionality wise and safety wise, that's not the best move. Let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, beautifully fitting the front. Just the tires are really tight on the fender. I really wanted to run this setup. I really love the bronze on the black, but unfortunately I can't. I just think they're a little bit too aggressive, and this 275/30 I would have to run probably a 265 to clear the fender. I just don't want it to rub non-stop. I want to drive comfortably. I love the way it looks, I really do, but you know, I took it upon myself to just let them go. It's actually being sold to my buddy Dylan with the black ISF. I think it looks fantastic on black cars, and we were working out a deal with the C28s, but honestly, deep down, I really want him to really have a nice set of rims for his car, and these bronze TEs are just gonna set it off. The original finish, they're near mint condition for the most part, comes with tires, and I was like, you know what, Dylan, you my boy, I've known you for over a decade, you know, family is family. I told him, dope, I'll do a deal with you, just take them, because eventually I'm gonna downsize to 18s. 19s on the Skyline, since it's not a GTR, it's just a little bit too big for this car. Main concern is just trying to get the S2000 sold, but I'm also trying to work in a time frame with Dylan because we're going to be working on his car tomorrow, and we're going to be installing the camber arms. So now that you guys are filled in on what's going on, I'll see you tomorrow when we go ahead and work on Dylan's car. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is probably a continuation of what I recorded yesterday. So as you can see, Skyline is no longer on those beautiful bronze TE37s. It's hurting me inside. It's killing me inside because that's all I ever wanted. An OEM original factory finish for Volk Racing bronze. But you know what? I'm okay with it because that's actually going to a great buddy of mine's. You guys know him as Dylan. He drives the black ISF, one of the most popular cars on my channel, next to my piece of crap, which is now Kyle's beautiful car. We're still working on Lexus's, and in this case I'm just happy that he's able to get these wheels and make his car look a lot better than it was. Even though I have no problem with the way his car sits right now, I think the bronze is gonna make the black pop a lot more because it definitely did on my Skyline. So let's take a look at Dylan's car real quick. It just rained and poured non-stop, but here's Dylan's car. Paint's still looking damn good. As you remember, I paint corrected it and it just looks phenomenal. Blackest black I've ever seen. You can see his wheels. These are the TE37 SLs, repowder coated in gunmetal, so looking pretty nice. Common issue, rust on brakes. All depends on what brake pads you use. Most of them have some type of nickel, copper, metal, you know, compound in them, so if there's going to be brake dust on the rotor, it's going to rust after it rains. Oof, look at the black, guys. His taillights, these actually were a big hit on my channel as well. So that's kind of cool to see it again. You guys haven't seen his car in a while, you know, Dylan's busy, I'm busy, but I'm just glad it's back. We're going to be doing a lot of things today. We did install these novel ones from Maze Runner that I purchased. But of course a lot of people can't get to him anymore because he no longer has social media, but these are really nice and he did a very good job on them. Just a lot of things I got to do. So we're going to be putting camber kits onto Dylan's rear because, like I said, I had to run camber kits on mine, and if I'm running camber kits, that means he had to run it to fit the tires that I have. So we're pretty much mimicking the setup of my old car. So here they are. These are OG Z-Spec TE37s in original bronze with the anodized lip. Looks fantastic, man. Look at that. Ain't nobody gonna tell me any other bronze in the world is gonna look better than this. Nobody. I don't care what brand, what what make, model, what powder coater can match it. This is just phenomenal. You can't beat that finish. On a second note, I do have a set of 20-inch TE37s for sale. They're 20 by 9, 20 by 10, roughly around 30 offset. So you can check my Instagram, Kantstandlam, or whatever. We gotta move it. Belongs to John Dang. He used to own the teal IS 350, but he needs to get rid of these. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna pull Dylan's car in so we can jack up the rear and take the wheels off and do the camber adjustment. I'm probably gonna rewatch one of my old videos and see exactly what the measurement is so I can kind of cheat a little bit just to fit these wheels, because car's wet now, it's humid out, so I'm trying to save some time. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started. He's on the way over here now. He dropped the car off while I was at work, so let's go make this car beautiful. Alright, it's gonna be a little tight in the garage. I can't move this car. Reason why I can't move this car, because the new wheels I put on it is sitting on the fender and I just don't want to damage it, so stuck with it. Honestly, it's fine. I'll have some space. I can still sit here and do all the crap I gotta do. I totally forgot, I never mentioned that we got the Spc Arms. So we bought the same camber arms that I had on my car. It worked fine, and we went ahead and ordered them for his car. So I buy all my stuff from Velocity Shop. It's velocityshop.com. This is my buddy. He goes ahead and hooks me up on things all the time. So if you guys are interested in getting these arms, just go on velocityshop.com, find the email, message him and say that I sent you and that you're looking for the Spc Arms for your IS or whatever it may be. See what he has. There's certain things that you can get and cannot get. Yeah, I was under the impression before he told me that these are becoming more expensive now. So either they're limiting production or I don't know what it might be. So message them, get them while you still can before they become discontinued and you might be stuck with some cheap stuff. So my boy Dylan and John just came by, popped up with some Bud Light. So we're gonna go ahead and crack a cold one. Enjoy. Man, that shit's good. Alright guys, so we got the wheel off and camera has trouble focusing. Oh, there we go. So here's the arm. This is how it comes in the package. Right there it is. We're gonna go ahead and try to put this and adjust the camber arm on the suspension. Alright guys, I'm tired. So the minute I sat down, the sun started beaming and I'm dying here. Fortunately, I don't care. I'm used to it by now. But camber arm is in, you can see. What I had to end up doing was measuring what I wanted, but making it longer than it's supposed to be so it fits all the way back there. Once I bolted the front and rear in, I just pretty much tightened this by hand and then a wrench until it was perfectly where I want it to be. So should be good. Now we gotta put the wheels on, so moment of truth. Alright guys, there it is. T37s on Dylan's wheels. T37s on Dylan's car. Damn thing looks huge. Here's the fitment. We all care about fitment. So definitely a little bit more camber obviously. And you can see here, the toe is sticking out more because we pushed the camber in, so the toe needs to be adjusted to go in towards the front of the suspension unit. But looking pretty damn good. I guess while the jack's over here, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. Take this one off and put the other front ones on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so finally got the wheels on his car. I adjusted the camber. I also adjusted the toe on both sides so that it kind of straightens out the wheel, because when you put the camber kit on, it has like a weird positive toe, and I didn't want him to drive and eat up the tires for the next couple of days before he gets in alignment. So this is how it looks. See, it's perfectly straight on this side. And it's perfectly straight on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the car out of the garage and see how it looks. Sorry, there's a random stray dog over there. I'll show you in a little bit, but he came over here and I just tied him down real quick. But anyway, wheels are on. Not sitting as low because honestly functionality is really important right now, so we're just gonna leave it like that for now. And the rear is looking good. Super clean, guys. I know you guys want more ISF videos, so here it is. Again, check in and make sure how great the toe is. It's sticking in just slight, but it's better than bowing out. He's definitely gonna have a little bit of alignment issues when he leaves here and drives off, but man, I think it looks good, man. Yeah, that looks good. What, doggo? I don't know who your owner is. You're very cute and adorable. You know that? I gave her water, but she just keeps barking. I don't know. Hopefully someone comes around for you. The dog keeps barking, as you can see, so I can't vlog too much. But I'm gonna end it here. Very tired. I worked all morning, and then we worked on Dylan's car afterwards. It's looking pretty damn good. All it needs is an alignment, and then we're gonna start doing some exterior work on his car afterwards. So for those who subscribe, stay tuned. You're gonna see more videos on Dylan's car. I know he's a big hit on the channel, so it's gonna be really nice to see the transformation of this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. How do you feel about Dylan's wheels? If you really like the bronze TEs on the black, please hit the like button. Leave a comment if you want to see more content. Obviously we'll try to make more and more videos every day. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. You think I should do it?
I think you should. Put them on. See what happens.
Fuck!